Alright, it's kind of late into it, but this is how you change out your park neutral safety valve switch. So basically you got one wire right here, you just unhook it from right here. And then you unhook this right here, I think this is a 15. Then you got 4 bolts, it's that easy. You're supposed to have the air drain. I didn't drain the air, but whatever. Probably best to break this off while it's up here, but we'll see if there's gonna be a problem or not. Alright, so now we're gonna pull it off. There's a couple things to note. Hopefully this thing don't fall over. Alright, so one thing to note is there's an O-ring. The fuck is that? Yo, my hair is getting dirty as shit. I need a hat for this bitch. Oh, I need a hat. Anyways, there's an O-ring right here. Gotta replace that O-ring. There's an O-ring right here. Well, I'm sorry, it's not right here. It's right here. If there's one in there. And there's no fucking O-ring in there. Why did something fall out? I'm wondering why is it leaking? Why is it leaking? Why is it leaking? There's no O-ring here. Anyway, there's supposed to be an O-ring right there and an O-ring in there. So yeah, that's why it was leaking. But yeah, that's how easy it is. So I can use this, but I'm not. I'm gonna take that. Alright, let me do the job and I'll bring y'all in. So basically this hose has to come off and I'll show you how it goes. Let me show you the picture. It says to apply lubricant. I mean, do whatever the hell you want to do. I'm getting ready to make a whole gasket and shit. Like, what? Anyways, O-ring's supposed to go right there. O-ring right in there. And then that fat little skinny O-ring goes right there. Hopefully I'm getting it. Bam. And then it'll come with this piece right here, a little side piece. And that goes right there. So when I get it installed, I'll show you how it goes. Alright, so this is it installed, and then I'm gonna show you just the directions just in case you need them. So I just tightened that hose back. I couldn't use the original fitting, I guess, because it's a different size hose on this side. But I just swapped the fitting out, put it back on, and fit perfectly. I don't know what size it is. That's a 1/8 hose. Don't know what size it is. I don't know what threads it is. This is a 14 millimeter nut. That's all I got. Oh, and this is a 15. That's a 15. Sorry, that's a 17. 17.